How do I stay grounded handling high stakes and emotional cases? In my career, I've handled dozens, if not hundreds, of wrongful death cases, dozens, if not hundreds, of traumatic brain injury cases, cases where someone's life was completely turned upside down, or they've lost a loved one and they're trying to figure out a way to move forward. In handling these types of cases, it's obviously extremely emotional. I had a client one time when I was meeting with her after her son had passed away in a motorcycle crash. At one point during our meeting, she told me that I did not seem emotional enough over what had happened to her son. And at that point, I started tearing up and I told her that every one of these cases stick with me for the rest of my life. Her son will stick with me for the rest of my life. But as an attorney, it is my job to try to put aside the emotion and be the best legal advocate that I can be for my clients. And if I let the emotion control what I'm doing and what I'm thinking, then I'm not going to be the best lawyer that that family needs in that time. At that moment, she understood exactly what my role was. As an attorney, we need to put those types of emotional issues aside while we're trying to figure out how to best help the family under the law. The emotion comes on in court, and this is their one shot at getting justice for losing a family member, for the injuries that they've suffered. As a trial lawyer, we use that to fuel my presentation in front of the jury, to tell my client's story, to make sure that at the end of that trial, we've gotten my client the justice that they deserve.